Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of products that make our lives a little easier, more beautiful, and a whole lot more fun. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Today, we're reviewing a classic household essential, Q-tips Cotton Swabs, the 500 count pack. Whether you're using them for hygiene, beauty care, or even cleaning your electronics, these cotton swabs are designed to be the ultimate tool. Let's see how they hold up. Q-tips. Cotton swabs are made with 100% cotton, and the paper sticks are sourced from sustainable forests. So right off the bat, they're an eco-conscious choice. The soft cotton buds make these swabs incredibly versatile. From ear care to makeup touch-ups, you can use these for just about everything. In fact, these are the go-to swabs for delicate tasks like baby hygiene. Whether it's cleaning around a newborn's belly button or nose, Q-tips have you covered. Plus, if you're the type to take care of your electronics, these cotton-tipped applicators work wonders for dusting between keyboard keys or cleaning out your phone's ports. Pretty handy, right? In terms of real-world usage, I've put these Q-tips to the test across multiple scenarios. For hygiene, they feel gentle on the skin, and the cotton absorbs moisture without falling apart, whether you're cleaning your ears or applying a product. For beauty, I've used them to correct makeup mistakes, and they've been soft enough to do the job without disturbing the surrounding makeup. The swabs also do a great job at cleaning delicate items like jewelry and tiny corners of appliances without shedding or leaving fibers behind. And let's not forget, they're excellent for electronics too. I use them to clean the hard-to-reach spaces around my phone's charging port and computer keyboard, and they were perfect. Now let's break down the pros and cons. The biggest pro, in my opinion, is their versatility. From ear hygiene to beauty fixes, Q-tips are perfect for a wide range of uses. The 100% cotton construction is soft but sturdy, and the paper sticks are strong enough to handle any task. They're also eco-friendly, which is a major plus in today's world. The cons? Honestly, it's hard to find many. Some may prefer a sturdier stick for certain tasks, but the paper sticks are still durable enough for everyday use. If I had to nitpick, I'd say that the cotton tips could be slightly more compact for precision tasks, but they still perform well. When it comes to value for money, I think Q-tips are a solid investment. You get a 500 count pack, which is ideal for long-term use, whether you're using them every day or just for occasional tasks. Considering the range of uses, the price is reasonable, especially given their quality and eco-conscious manufacturing. Comparing them to other cotton swabs on the market, Q-tips definitely stand out in terms of softness and quality. While there are cheaper alternatives, they often lack the same precision or quality of cotton. Other brands might use synthetic fibers, but Q-tips keep it natural, which I appreciate. In terms of build quality, these swabs are sturdy without being too harsh on the skin. The 100% cotton tips feel plush, and the paper sticks hold up well even when wet. I haven't had any issues with breakage or shedding during use, which is a testament to their solid construction. As for longevity, given the high quality of the materials, I expect these swabs to last a long time. Just keep them stored in a dry place to avoid any wear and tear. Customer support isn't really a big factor here, since this is a product that doesn't typically need much after-purchase support. But it's worth noting that Q-tips has a solid reputation for quality, so I'm confident they'd provide good customer service if necessary. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are other brands that offer large cotton swab packs. However, I believe Q-tips offer a higher level of quality, especially when it comes to the cotton tips and eco-friendliness. Cheaper alternatives may not have the same softness or precision. To wrap up, Q-tips cotton swabs are a must-have in any home. Whether you're using them for personal hygiene, beauty fixes, or cleaning your electronics, they offer exceptional quality and versatility. They're gentle, effective, and eco-friendly. If you're looking for reliable, everyday cotton swabs, I highly recommend giving these a try. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on more product reviews from Beautyistic. We've got plenty of exciting content coming your way. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've tried these Q-tips or have any thoughts on other cotton swabs, feel free to share your experiences in the comments. You can also find the link to purchase the product down below. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep it beautyistic.